Welcome back to your channel English with Practice. The present simple tense in English. 20 questions. She, to the gym every morning. The answer is B. She goes to the gym every morning. They, in the park on weekdays. The answer is B. They walk in the park on weekdays. He play football on Sundays? The answer is A. Does he play football on Sundays? The cat, milk every day. The answer is C. The cat drinks milk every day. She, coffee because she doesn't like it. The answer is B. She doesn't drink coffee because she doesn't like it. We, to the cinema every weekend. The answer is A. We go to the cinema every weekend. You watch TV every evening? The answer is B. Do you watch TV every evening? He, the guitar every afternoon. The answer is B. He plays the guitar every afternoon. The train, late on weekdays. The answer is C. The train arrives late on weekdays. They live in this neighborhood? The answer is A. Do they live in this neighborhood? I like spicy food. The answer is B. I don't like spicy food. Sarah work in an office? The answer is C. Does Sarah work in an office? His homework before playing games. The answer is A. He does his homework before playing games. The sun set in the east. The answer is B. The sun doesn't set in the east. You speak Spanish fluently? The answer is A. Do you speak Spanish fluently? Her friends every weekend. The answer is B. She meets her friends every weekend. We go to school on Sundays. The answer is A. We don't go to school on Sundays. Your brother like football? The answer is B. Does your brother like football? My parents on holiday every summer. The answer is I. My parents go on holiday every summer. She at the library in the evenings. The answer is C. She studies at the library in the evenings.